Losing your job isn't just about the paycheck. It's about losing your rhythm, your role, and sometimes even your sense of self. When the alarm stops ringing for work in the morning, so do the small conversations, the daily tasks, the interactions that once filled your life with structure and meaning. And what follows isn't just uncertainty, it's loneliness. A quiet, creeping kind of loneliness that can feel harder to explain than the loss of income. You wake up with time but no direction. You have thoughts but no one to share them with. You want connection, but the shame makes you stay silent. What many people don't realize is that work is more than a job. It's a connection hub, the place where you laugh over lunch, where someone asks, "How was your weekend?" where you feel seen. Without it, those casual check ins disappear. And suddenly, so do the people. Let's talk about why unemployment can be so lonely and why it's not your fault. First, the loss of routine. Without a reason to leave the house or check in somewhere, time begins to blur. You start skipping meals, sleep schedules shift. The longer this goes on, the more disconnected you feel. Not just from others, but from yourself. Second, there's the stigma. Society often ties success to having a job. So when you don't, it can feel like you're failing, even if the situation is out of your control. This shame creates silence, and silence fuels isolation. Third, we lose our social identity. When someone asks what you do, what do you say now? That simple question, once easy to answer, now feels like a spotlight on everything that's missing. Fourth, the community shrinks. Coworkers who once messaged you daily now seem distant. You wonder if you were ever really close, or if work was the only thing you had in common. Fifth, mental health takes a hit, and this is where it spirals. Loneliness feeds anxiety, anxiety feeds withdrawal, and the longer it goes, the harder it becomes to break the cycle. But here's what you need to remember: you're not alone in feeling this way. A study from the UK found that people who are unemployed are twice as likely to feel chronically lonely compared to those who work. In Japan, loneliness was declared a public health crisis, and the government even appointed a minister of loneliness. This is real, and you're not imagining it, but you're also not powerless. There are things you can do, not to fix everything overnight, but to begin reconnecting. First, build a new routine. Even simple acts like going for a walk at the same time each day or making your bed in the morning can help anchor your mind. Second, join a community. This could be a job seeking support group, a volunteering network, or even an online space where others are walking the same path. Third, reach out. It might feel awkward, but a single message to someone you trust can make all the difference. Hey, just wanted to talk. That's enough. Fourth, redefine your value. You are not your job title. You are your kindness, your effort, your resilience, your dreams. And fifth, allow yourself to be human. This is hard. It's okay to admit that. Healing starts when honesty does. Loneliness during unemployment is not a weakness. It's a wound that deserves care. You are not broken. You are not invisible. You are in transition. And that journey, painful as it may be, can still lead to something meaningful. You don't have to go through it alone. Find your spark. Find your people.